I'm discuss very important one. Alt text. What is mean by alt text? Suppose here I'm searching for some option. Which one? I'm searching for news. When you go for more option for images, that all will be showing for image will be news. Yes or no? So how understanding for search engine is a news. When you click for this one, they go to particular website. How do they go to particular website? That mean by every image we can give them one specific name. The name is called alt text. The totally three names: alt text, alternative text, alt tag. Each image specific one name. The name is called alt text. So how to know that? First of all, we know the image extension. Image will be three types: JPG, PNG, GIF images. JPG, PNG, GIF images. First, we can go to website, Control U, check for Control F, using for JPG. So in this, I'm using for JPG here. What the alt tag will be? Appointment. Select here. This is your URL here. What the URL will be? Appointment. So this URL will be not appointment. I'll give the some other name. So how we can update this name into your website? That is using for cPanel access. So we have to find out the pages and update by the alt tag for each and everything. So that is what JPG. How many images are there? Here, which one? Class. Every alt tag will be give the option name is class. Select it. So every instructions. So every image will be given by the options. Theme. The totally 23 images are there. Each image will be writing for your particular alt tag. So clear? Now, select will be PNG. PNG, how many images are there? Say all images will be in this. What image will be here? Every image will be adding for alt tag. Yes or no? If any image will missing for alt tag, you can adding for where? Using for the cPanel access. How to use? Go for cPanel, click for file manager. In this, go to application. In this, click for views. So which page are you to changing? I'm going to first of all home page. Right click, edit. In the image are there, Control F, using for JPG image. What image name? Appointment. Here is that. Swimming class, appointment. Previous. Let's check it out. What the previous will be? Appointment. Refresh. Swimming class, appointment. Is it clear? Every image we can give the particular name is called image alt tag. So another total three names: alt text, alt tag, and alternative text. So clear? So you have to find out the image alt tag. Anything will be missing to give the developer, they update by the website. Just you can give the line and alt tag name to send to the developer by using Word document. So what are the names they will be given to the website? They update using for cPanel access. What is your task? Which image missing for alt tag? Which image missing for alt tag? Just write down the alt tag name, the related image, update by the where particular static website. If you are updating for dynamic pages, if updating for dynamic pages, that already when uploading time, you can writing for image name already. So now this image here, right click, Control U, Control F, JPG. So we can use image. So we can correctly checking for image on alt tag name. So what is the category? So in this we can use a particular option. So we can find out by the your particular option will be. Where is the missing? Where is showing for category? So we can give the option for image name will be here. So same image name we can show to the customer. Anything missing, you can see the developer by the alt tag. The compulsory follow the instructions. Every image, same name we can use for alt tag, every title. The compulsory important to follow the instruction by the every website. Anything mistake to send the developer the updating for the websites. Is it clear? So this is very important key point for image alt tag. Another total three names: alt text, alternate text, alt tag.